Hi Ma, very good morning. So in this session, we are solving the illustrations from our ICMA material. Okay, based on the knowledge we gained in the prior sessions, we shall solve the problems. Okay, so in this, have you please read the problem once, Ma. So a project consists of 7 activities. Activities are P, Q, R are run simultaneously. The relationship among the various activities is as follows. Activity P, immediate successor. Immediate successor in the sense after that. Okay, next. Q, immediate successor. R, immediate successor. Okay. Activity V is the last operation of the project and it is also immediate successor to STU. Draw a network diagram of the project. So our illustrations will be like this. In exam also we will be having, based on this we will be having the problems. Okay. First, what is the thing, ma? First we need to identify the number of activities. How many activities, buddy? There are 7 activities. What are the activities, ma? P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. Okay. So P, Q, R, what he given, buddy? This P, Q, R start simultaneously. Okay, and also he gave about immediate successor, not predecessors. Ma. Immediate successor means after those activities. For example, if the after the completion of P, S activity will start. After the completion of Q, activity T will start. After the completion of R, activity U will start. This is the process. So now let us start, ma. And also the last activity is V. Okay, based on this we shall start by D. And V activity is last, but it is immediate successor to STU. After the completion of STU, we will start what, buddy? Start activity V. So let us start, ma. So based on the question, it is given that PQR start simultaneously. Means before them there is no other activity. Okay. So let us start, buddy. This is P. Okay. This is Q. And this is PQR. Okay. Next, what are the other activities, buddy? After P, which activity starts? Ma? S is the activity starting. Okay. S is the activity. Next, after Q, T is the starting. Okay, sir. T is starting. T. Next, after R, which is the activity starting? Ma? U is the activity starting after R. Okay, sir. But what is the last of totally 7 operations, 7 activities, 6 activities are done. What is the last one, ma? Last one is activity V. Okay, sir, activity V. So it starts after every activity, all the STU. After the completion of STU, it will start. Okay, sir. Anyway, it will start here. I will keep there. So automatically V. So project is done. Is the project done, ma? No, because starting point is 1, ending points are 3. And have you ever satisfied all the questions? No, sir. Then how to satisfy, ma? See it once, buddy, properly. Okay. So if as per the rule, we should start after the completion of STU. Okay, the V satisfied for S condition, but it is satisfied U and V. No. So let us use dummy, ma, to complete that one. So I will use dummy like this. Now the conditions are satisfied. Is it right, ma? No. Why, sir? Because dummy should not be used unnecessarily. And there are 2 cases to use dummy. Is the those cases satisfied, ma? They didn't arise at all. What are the cases, buddy? An activity is having 2 starting points and 2 same ending points. And also, what is the second case, ma? The second case is that in predecessor column, the activity repeats twice, one individually and others with other activities. Is that satisfied? None of the conditions satisfied. So we should not use dummy. So our approach should be different, ma. See, buddy. So that is the reason why I'm telling to use pencil. Now just let us join like this, buddy. This is U. Okay, now this is T and this is U. Is the project done? Done. Let us check with the question mark. So there are PQR activities. They start simultaneously. Okay. P P Q R. Okay. Next. Immediate successor for P what body S. Done. It is done. For Q it is T and for R it is U. Okay. Next. Activity V is the last operation. Activity V is the last operation. Okay. Okay, next word, buddy. And it is also immediate successor to STU. Immediate successor means immediate successor to STU. So after the completion of all these activities, only then will start. All conditions are satisfied. So our project diagram is perfect. Okay. Let us see the next question, ma. Is the question done? Please pause the video here and note down the question, buddy. Okay. Now I am dealing with the relevant questions, buddy. After that, we shall see. Okay, this is the question which is relevant to us based on the concept we have read as earlier sessions. So let us solve this, buddy. In this, what is the question, ma? The project consists of 5 activities. Okay, there are 5 activities. And activities P, Q run simultaneously. Okay, the relationship among the various activities is follows. P, Q are activities. Their immediate successor. I have mentioned now successor means after the activity. Okay, next. Activity is the last operation of the project. And it is also immediate successor to R and S. Same problem we have dealt earlier. Same as it is, but there are 7 activities there and here only 5 activities. Okay, you pause the video here once and try to solve this one, because in the network diagrams the main thing is that you need to solve. If you are not solving, you will not get a chance. So please solve the problems by yourself. You try it once, after that you will get a clarity. If you are not trying, it is risky. So now see, buddy, pause the video here and try, ma. So if you're trying, I will deal with. Okay, done. Now let us see, ma. I will solve for you so that you can get a clarity. So what is this? So first, what he said, but there are 5 activities. Okay, PQR run simultaneously means they will start simultaneously. Okay, so let us draw that, buddy. So this is P. Okay, and this is Q. Next, what is, buddy? T is the last operation on it. Okay, and QR is the immediate successor to P. For P, immediate successor is R. Okay, and S is the immediate successor to what, buddy? S is the immediate successor to Q. Okay, sir. Next, T is the last operation. It also immediate successor to R and S. After the completion of R and S, it will start. Okay, sir. So R and S is done. So S is done. I'm starting here T. Is the diagram completed, ma? No. Why, sir? Why? Because Q, this is the starting point and there are 2 ending points. Is that right? Is it right? No, ma. So there it is not right. And if I use dummy to join this, is it right, ma? Even then it is not right, sir. Why, sir? Why? Because, ma, are the conditions for dummy case 1, case 2 have arisen here? No. Why? Because, see, buddy, is there any activity having common starting point and common ending point? No. And is the condition that they should have same immediate, they should be having what, buddy? What is the condition we have? Second case, ma. The case is that in the predecessor column, an activity will repeat, one individually and other in a combination. That condition arised? No. The 2 cases hasn't arisen. So using dummy is not fair. Sir, how to do that? Just let us simply see the buddy. Just join like this. Okay, now if you are doing in the very first instance, it is super, ma. But if for your understanding, I am telling what not to be done. Based on that, you will get a clarity. Okay, this is a diagram, buddy. Please pause the video and check your answer with this and also solve it, ma. If it is right, okay. If it is not right, there is no issues, because if you are practicing and if you are not getting the answer, then there is no issue. Okay, and these are simple. If it is the very first time, you may get some sort of issues, but after practicing multiple times, you will get practice too. Okay, there is no issue, ma. Next, this is the next one, buddy. So before entering into this, let us have a break here, ma. So now let us continue with the next illustration, ma. That is illustration number 5. Okay, you please see the illustration and try to identify what are the number of activities and how to start. You please pause the video here and try it once. After you are trying, if I tell, it will be useful. But if I keep on telling the answers and you are just listening, there won't be any use, ma. You need to keep your pencil on the paper and try it. If you are making mistakes at this moment, it is good. If you are making mistakes in the exam, it is of no use. Okay, pause the video here and try it once. Okay. Okay. So taking an assumption that you have tried, I am solving the illustration, ma. So based on the question, what is the starting activity, buddy? Let us read the question once more. So XYZ is an auto manufacturing company and has a design on its latest model for motorcycle. The various activities to be performed to prepare the design are as follows. Okay, he gave activities, what is the type of activity and its preceding activity. Okay, and he wants to prepare an appropriate network diagram. So now let us start, ma. So what is the first activity, buddy? The first activity is that activity A. Okay, is the screen visible, buddy? Okay, ma. So activity A is the starting one. Superb. Next, activity B. Okay, it starts after what, ma? Completion of A, because preceding activity is what, buddy? A and okay. So activity B. Next, what is the C, ma? C also starts after the completion of B. Okay, sir. So C is done. Next, what is the next, ma? D starts after the completion of C. Okay, sir. D starts after the completion of C. Next, what is next, buddy? E starts after the completion of B, comma C. After the completion of B, comma C, it starts. Okay, sir. So B, comma C will complete here. But here the case is that you see here, buddy, there is chance for dummy. Why? Because C is repeating the preceding activities twice, once individually and other time with a combination. Now what we have to do, ma? We have to just arrange it properly. How to arrange it, sir? Just by seeing this, you can get a clarity, ma. See here, buddy. So it is repeating twice. So there is chance for dummy. And when the letter C is repeating twice, we have to start the dummy from C. This is the information we got from the earlier session, na? So I will start the dummy from C. So let us increase its size, ma. So this is B. So dummy is starting from C and automatically it will go to B now. Okay, sir, because from B comma C only we are starting E. Okay. So dummy I'm starting, buddy. It is a dummy. And B comma C. From here what is starting, ma? E is starting. So E is done. Now what is the next, buddy? Till here where we are done, buddy? It is done. These all are done, but till E we have done it. Now what is everybody F? F starts when, ma? After the completion of E and D. So it is coming from a combination, common starting point. Okay. And also here the principle is that E is repeating twice. See, ma, E is repeating twice. One individually and with other combination. So there is a chance for dummy, and dummy starts from where, ma? Because E is repeating twice and the hint we got is that E dummy will start from E. Okay, sir. We will start dummy from E. So let us start the dummy. So dummy I'm starting. Okay, sir, I have started dummy. So and it continues till where, but it till D. But to D I have to extend now. So to join it. So this is D. And from E comma D, which is emerging by D, E activity is coming. So F activity, sorry, ma. So F activity is drawn. Now what is the case, ma? F activity till F we have done, buddy. A, B, C, D, F till F we have done. Now E. No, sorry, G, ma. G is emerging from where, buddy? G is emerging from E activity. So E activity is where, ma? Here E activity. So G I have drawn. Okay. Next, H is emerging from G. H is emerging from G. Okay, sir. G. H is emerging. Superb. Next, what, ma? So next, what, buddy? So I is emerging from F. I is emerging from F. This case, ma. So I is emerging from F. Okay. So based on that, I has emerged from F. Okay. Done. Next, J is emerging. What is the next case, buddy? J is emerging from where, ma? J is emerging from I and H. But we are having these two as separate. Sir, what I have to do? Sir, I will use dummy and I will join. Is it right, ma? Dummy rules should be satisfied. None of the cases have satisfied. So there is some chance to join them. So let us see, buddy, how to join them, ma. Just by combining like this. So G, H, no? Oh, okay, combined like this. Now what, buddy? From G, I and H, what is emerging, ma? J is emerging. So automatically J is emerged. Done. Now next what, buddy? K is emerging from J. K is emerging from J. Okay, this is the diagram, ma. You please check the diagram with the question so that you can get a clarity whether the diagram drawn by SAR is correct or not. Okay, first, what is the basic rule, buddy? Let us check it properly, ma. So from K, what is emerging, buddy? So from K starts when, ma, after the end of J. So K started here. When, ma, after completion of J, it is satisfied. What is this? Like the next one, buddy? J starts from the end of I and H. I is here, H is here, and J is here. I is here. The J starts. Perfect condition satisfied. What is next, ma? I begins after the completion of F. I begins from the completion of F. That also satisfied. Next, H begins from when, buddy? After the completion of G. So H is here. It started from completion after the completion of G. Okay. Next, what is the case, ma? G starts after the completion of E. G is starting after the completion of what, buddy? E. Okay. Next, F starts after the completion of D. Sorry, buddy. F starts after the completion of D, comma E. So F is here, ma. D is here and E is here because we use a dummy. Dummy does not represent any activity. Is it clear? Okay, sir. Next, E starts after the completion of B, comma C. E is here, buddy. B is here and C is here. Okay, now. So all the conditions are satisfied. Sir, what if we have arranged the dummy in different manner? I will show that also, ma, so that you can get a clarity. Okay. Let us redraft this diagram once again, ma. Okay. Now I am arranging the dummy, ma, so that you can get some sort of clarity regarding why not to use. Okay. If I am using the dummy from in this way, okay, and this in this way. Sir, you said dummy should not go in a different direction, na? For your understanding, I am showing in that manner, ma. They are not going in a reverse direction. Okay, I have changed the direction of dummy. What is the cause? What are the effects of changing the dummy or changing the improper direction of dummy? So if see, buddy. So by this inference, by this what you will get, buddy, information. So here D starts when, ma, after the completion of B and C. Okay, but however, by seeing this, you will get a clarity, ma. D is starting after the completion of B, C. Is the condition mentioned in the diagram? No. And let us take about G. G starts after the completion of E and D. E and D, G is starting. Is the condition given by D? E and D. E and D. Is there a G now? No. So if you are changing the direction of dummy, you are going to face issues. So where to start dummy, that and all I have mentioned now. So if there are two activities are repeating, which is repeating, from there we can start dummy. Okay. So this is wrong and this is right. Okay now. So till here done, ma. Okay. So done with this. Let us see, is there in a normal model which I will solve till? Okay. There is a model here, ma. So before going to this model, let us see the some further important topics. The topics are, yesterday we have done till where, buddy? We have done till where, ma? Until this is the next part, buddy. We have to deal with this part. What is this, sir? Project duration and critical path. What is that, ma? project duration and critical path. Sir, what is meant by project duration, sir? Time taken to complete the project. Time taken to complete the project, that too minimum time. Minimum time taken to complete the project. So how much time the project will take to complete the project completion time is nothing but how much time the project will take to complete is nothing but what the project completion time or nothing but project duration. Okay now. So let us understand this with an example. For example, here there is one case scenario, buddy. So A activity, B activity, C activity, and the duration we have mentioned at the top. What is the duration total, ma? So 5 plus 7 plus 3, that is 15 days. Okay, this is the duration. Superb, sir. If our network diagram is like this, you can calculate very easily, ma. Okay, and also you do not take a wrong assumption that as the days are 7, we have to draw a big arrow, and as the days are 3, we need to draw small arrow. Okay, it's not right like this, ma. So network isn't a time scale diagram. We are not representing the time with a scale. So if the duration is more, we are drawing a big arrow, a small, large